SUAPP AIA, Image to Animation. SUAPP AIA is an AI-powered plugin that automatically converts images to video. With just one image, you can create a vivid video animation. AIA helps you turn designs into videos quickly, making design presentations and client communication much smoother. And it's super simple to operate. There are 3 animation models available. Flow Motion is the newly updated animation model. It delivers more stable and better quality animations. It's simple to use. Select Flow Motion, upload an image. Then use simple text descriptions to control camera movement and effects. Click Generate and wait about 2 minutes. A vivid architectural animation will be ready, complete with matching background audio. You can also create transition animations using first and last frames. For example, upload a site image without buildings as the first frame, then a render with buildings as the last frame. Add simple text prompts, wait 2 minutes, and you will get a construction growth animation like this. SUAPP AIA brings your design to life in just a few simple steps. Quickly creates professional visual effects and enhances presentation. Make any animation idea come true. You won't want to miss it.